Greetings and good afternoon. Welcome to Grow with Dr. Helen. And I wanted to bring you the latest episode of Cozy Green Spaces. So today, it is 4 weeks since I started my balcony garden. And some things did pretty good and some things did not. And so I want to keep you posted and show you the progress and what my plans are as we proceed throughout the season. You know, in this day and time, it's important to know what you're eating, to get fresh produce, to get organic produce. And if you can grow your own and you know what you put on it and how you treat it and the love you give to it, that's the purest you can get to putting nutritious food in your body. So that's one of my motivations for growing, in addition to the fact that I love to see the majesty of growth. To me, it's watching God. You know, you plant a seed and wow, it's like magic. You see a little tiny seed produce a 6-foot tomato plant in a pot. So imagine if it was in the ground. So I do the best I can with my balcony. So I'm going to show you the progress. I have marigolds throughout because they help keep certain insects away. So this is eggplant. I don't have any flowers yet. This is jalapeno peppers and mixed peppers. They're growing nicely. And these are onions. I have a lot of onions that I planted. Chocolate mint right here. It smells so good. This is lavender. Rosemary. Basil is coming back very slowly, but we're going to give it some chance. See how it does. Peppermint. More onions. Italian oregano. It's not doing that great, but you know, I'm going to feed it some more and cut back some of this dead foliage. These are more marigolds. Sage, parsley, lemon thyme. This smells heavenly already. Chives. Look at my Swiss chard. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Butter crunch lettuce. I've eaten some. You see it's starting to form the heads. More onions, tomatoes, and looky, I got a flower. See those 2 flowers? And blueberries. Nothing yet, but I see little tiny growth there, so it's making progress. And then over here, I have more onions, and nasturtiums. So this is the balcony garden. I planted lemon seeds in this cup, and they're progressing. Cucumbers trying to hang in there, and okra. And then these are marigolds. And there you have it. This is what my balcony garden is doing thus far. It is April 20th, and I've been planting. I planted outside 1 month ago. And, you know, the weather's warm here, and things are starting to pick up. And you can see I've used coffee cans, storage containers to plant in. Look at that Swiss chard. It looks absolutely beautiful. I have onions everywhere. And just created a peaceful setting outdoors on my balcony, and it is truly my happy place.